Hello everyone. In today's video, we will show you how to sign up for Microsoft Teams, whether you want to use it for school, work, or personal meetings. Getting started is simple. Let's get started. On the Microsoft 365 dashboard, go to the upper right corner. We can see the Sign In button. Click this button. If we already have an account, we can log in. But if not, let's create an account so we can sign up. Here, enter your email. Let's type in the email and then click You will get a verification code in your email. So let's check our email. Here is the verification code from our email. Just open it and remember the code. For example, 544232. Once we enter the code, continue. It will ask us to fill out a form with our birth date and first name. Next, just keep filling out the form. When we are done, click on Microsoft in the upper right again. Then, go to Microsoft Teams. Now sign in using the Gmail account we created. Allow access and wait for it to load. Now we have signed up for Microsoft Teams. That is how we sign up for Microsoft Teams. We are now registered and ready to start chatting, meeting, and collaborating online.